right, hey everybody. Anyone trying to bet on DraftKings and can't get there because you're getting this "we cannot locate you" or over here on FanDuel, you got the same thing. So you got to pass the location check, and there's a couple things that you can do to get that taken care of. So number one, if I'm using Chrome, come down in your Chrome browser, click this little icon right here, go to site settings, make sure your location says allow. That's the first thing you want to check. And then one other issue I had was when I come over to my network settings and go to TCP/IP v4 and properties, I was using my internet provider's DNS servers, which were 192 addresses. I switched these to Google, so 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 at Google. I switched those. That also can help. And then the last thing that you want to double check, if you're using any kind of remote control software, I actually have one, it's called Parsec, and it's installed right here. And if I look right here, you scroll down, oh, please disable Parsec. So let me uninstall Parsec, and we're going to show you that you can get this to work. So uninstall this guy. Unfortunately, it takes a minute. All right, Parsec is gone. So let's come over here to DraftKings, and we're going to refresh the page now that that's gone, and hopefully, voila. So it's in here. I'm not getting the location error. If I go to the NBA, let's just pick a game here, and let's say, whoops, let me pass the location check. You actually have to click the location check, not just refresh your browser. Oh, look, now I can place that bet. So good. DraftKings is fixed. Now let's go double check on FanDuel here. Let's click try again. And any second now. Location verified. So again, we're just going to kind of pick any bet here. Take the Magic +5. And once I place my bet, look, I can place my bet. There you go. That's how you fix your location check when sports betting. So click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and good luck sports betting. Take them down. Take them down. Also, check my other sports bet videos. I got one on arbitrage betting. You can win your bets. I'm winning every day. I'm winning every day.